Ladies, I know many of us have been in this situation. You say, it done or it not done. It done, it's still a go on. Me no know. How do you know when a relationship is over? Well, having relationship burnout is not a fun thing to admit to ourselves, especially if you've invested a lot of time and energy into making it work. So let's say you've tried everything, but your heart isn't in it. It's time to just admit the inevitable. For a Girl Talk this morning, we discussed 6 signs you're burnt out in your relationship.
I think the first one is what you said at the top. It done, it not done, it done, it not done. Isn't that like a sign that it done?
Maybe not done, maybe. Sometimes I say maybe it's not done, and maybe it just hit a little rough patch.
It's petering.
But you don't know if it's petering or it's just at a point and you say, oh, maybe it will turn around or maybe it won't. It really is a tough decision to make, I think. In some instances when it's not so, some instances we know, but we don't want to admit. But
those are the instances I'm talking about.
Those cute little quirks aren't so cute anymore. It's annoying now.
Very much so.
So some things he used to do and you say, oh my God, honey, stop that, that's so cute. Now when you do it and you say, no, how much time I go to that one something there?
Make it stop. Stop it.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's one thing, yeah, when you start getting annoyed for no reason.
Oh, this one is huge. You stop talking. I always say to the gentlemen and to the ladies too, when you are at a point where you just cannot bother to speak anymore, or you find your partner cannot bother to speak anymore, there is nothing left.
Girl.
It's done. It's done. Because it means...
If you alone, I do all of the talking. So if you don't say hi, you don't get a message all day. If you don't say how are you, he don't say how are you. Then let me tell you something. Friend of mine have somebody else that he's talking to.
You know what? They say about women, I don't know about men, you guys can tell me, but they say that the minute you can know when the woman is done is when she stops talking.
Yeah.
Because she will talk and nag, and you're like, oh my God, will you stop talking? Why are you nagging so much? And then one day, she just stops talking. Gentlemen, when it gets to that point, I think it's symptomatic of
disconnect.
Close to the end.
Disconnect. But communication is important.
Is that true with men too? When they're done talking, they're done? Is that true? Marv says yes. I don't know why O'Brien.
I don't even talk at all. Him done long time.
Him done with it for a long time.
Long time. No, but it's true. And then sometimes, women tend to they will say, oh, because it's men, they don't talk as much. No. The basics. If the basic good night or the basic good morning, you don't have the time to do it. It may not even be somebody else. So never gonna say, you hear the let's say you have a woman that's why you not talk, that may not be it. But it means the interest is not what it should be.
Yes. It's a ships in the night situation. Yeah. Like you're literally walking past each other and nobody speaks.
Yeah.
Or he goes through the door and you don't know when. Or,
look, man, if I did pass and him don't care if
you eat, you sleep, you do.
Yeah.
No basic interest anymore.
You're always fighting.
Oh. Yeah.
Ladies.
That's what you call toxicity.
Well, let me tell you something.
Toxicity.
Sometimes, people look for an excuse to go about their business. So them start find an argument for everything. You don't have to argue back. When you say everything this man argue, just say, darling, we not have to argue. We not have to argue. If you think the grass is greener, go and go more the grass.
Yeah.
You not have to argue so that me can cuss you. You can say, this is not working because every day we are cuss. Or you run me. We not forget this, sir. Just say this now work, go mow the grass so you got more grass.
You know what?
Hopefully it's like some maca joke you when you reach over there. And we move.
It's like the dog them said the dog run after the car them all the time. Sometimes when the car stop, the poor dog don't know what to do with himself. Because he's used to running all the time, right? So you're gonna argue back, or vice versa. And one day you're warring, trying to draw her or draw him out, and nothing.
And ladies, you know,
Silence.
you know. Don't get caught in it, you know. Because sometimes you say,
Just a
but
bait
even
up.
know when I argue for him, just walk come in at the door and as him come through the door, him start an argument. That's because if him come through the door and start an argument, that means he don't even want to get into no quiet time with you, you know. So him start the argument, him say, see there, I come and you argue already, so me I go about my business. Nobody argue, him come in, make him argue the Holy Ghost. Him there argue and just say, just start sing. I know one prayer, me pray in the night, just sing, yeah, pray in the day. Just sit down and start sing, darling. No take your time, buying it.
Is that really a song?
Yes.
Okay, I'm just checking.
No.
I'm not sure.
Buying it.
Sign forward. You come up with excuses not to spend time together. Well, if you're doing all of the other things we spoke about before, then this is a given.
Simone,
This is a given.
Simone, the way some man work hard, them should have been the president or the CEO.
Always busy.
What? Can't come right now, the
Can't
boss.
come
Give me
now,
something
got
fit
this to
do.
do.
Or you know, so make the
Meeting
work
here,
pile
meeting
up.
there,
The way
everywhere.
of them work hard. You wonder say when price giving come at work, how come them not get employee of the month? If you book up one of them supervisor, the supervisor could have said, is Marvin feeling better? Because I haven't seen him at work a couple times. Because he wasn't feeling well. No, sir.
Excuses.
Yeah.
And you know,
And then, you know who they can't tell like
their
one to
excuses. Us.
No, their mother.
Oh,
Mother's day gone say, me go check my mother. Or them
you say
sister.
mother, and your mother is like, boy, I haven't seen Marvin such a long time.
Some of them have 6 granny, you know. Never remember, so them tell you say 2 granny dead. So them find a 4th granny, I tell you say granny, yeah.
God. Okay.
You hear Marvin know my ball out? Me throw me stone in
He's
the
talking
pig
about
there.
his grand aunt.
Yeah.
Right, Marv. Your eye is wandering.
Who for eye wonder? My eye wonder or his eye?
Yours.
My eye wonder?
And maybe his.
If my eye wonder,
Your eyes are wandering
My eye
because you
wonder
don't have
then.
eyes for each other anymore. So invariably you're going to start
yeah,
looking
my eye wonder, that means so we.
at other possibilities.
Yeah.
Even though I find for some people, when you have stepped out of something that's not good, you have to take some time. Your eye don't really have a chance to wander because your eyes are turned inward. So it's kind of more introspection, trying to see, what you went through and deal with it and heal yourself before you can start to look at other people.
But if you really are looking around, that means saying,
yeah, your brain gone. You're out of it. You're out of it.
Yeah.
You may as well just physically leave.
talk about the future makes you uneasy. Girl, but then I'm about to start. Well, yes,
Makes you uneasy or makes him uneasy?
Well, if it makes you uneasy, then get out of it.
Yeah.
But if it makes him uneasy as well, listen.
If you want to change the topic every time.
You
Yeah.
know, NHT have something I could go pay down upon it and him say, so my mother did ask me if make me and she buy one house.
Excuses. They're coming at you fast and furious for whatever reason. That is a red flag.
Some don't, if I see the
Check
man
it
don't
out.
want to talk about next month,
Much less next year
much just next year.
and years after that.
Go on, darling, go on.
All right. Hope we gave you some useful
Yes,
advice this
Harold?
morning. That is our girl talk for today. More on
I
Smile
don't need to have
after the break.
experience to know
Our girl
that,
talk is going to
Harold.
continue during the break.
I've never
Yes.
experienced a tsunami, but I know it's dangerous.